In this video, we're going to briefly discuss simplified causes of no audio or no sound. In many homes, there's an external sound system from the television, sound bar, or a large sound system. Configuration and setup of the sound in the television can determine whether or not that device operates or operates correctly, which can lead to no sound. Just to verify you do have sound information coming into the television, if you press the settings key on the remote control, access all settings. If you click on the support tab and then click on additional settings, we have a sound test. When you activate the sound test, it will change the menu settings in the television, default the sound level to 20, which can be turned down with the remote. If you have sound, then your audio system in the television to drive your speakers is operating correctly. Check your source to verify that sound is getting to the TV. Keep in mind, some audio systems that have audio receivers will restrict sound from passing from that receiver to the television if your source is connected directly to the audio system. Now, if the sound is operating correctly, we'd like to take you to the sound menu and look at your sound out settings. If your audio system only has an optical connection, then select optical. If you have an optical cable connected between the television and the sound system. If you're using an HDMI cable and have connected it to the television's ARC port, then select HDMI ARC to obtain your sound. Old sound systems may only utilize audio line out, which is your analog audio. If this is your only option, then select line out, which will require an adapter to the television for your audio cables. And of course, wired headphones. If you're using a wired set of headphones or wireless headphones, select wired or wireless headphones. If this does not resolve your audio issue, please contact our customer service for additional assistance.